Will the injured victim, the plaintiff in a serious injury, personal injury case, get an opportunity to speak to the judge during the court-ordered pretrial conference? In Maryland, every single court has a mandatory pretrial conference before a judge of the court with the hopes of potentially resolving the injured victim's serious injury, personal injury claim pretrial. The pretrial conference is usually at a time where discovery is completed, depositions have been conducted, and the parties' attorneys, the insurance adjusters, and the injured victim, the plaintiff, get together with the judge in court to try to resolve the case pre-trial. The judge is there not just to shuttle numbers back and forth and not just relay numbers during the negotiation process, but the judge is also there to try to get an understanding of the case, get an understanding of the factual and legal issues in play, and try to resolve the case pre-trial. It is so critical that the judge gets an opportunity, multiple opportunities, to speak to the injured victim, the plaintiff, during the pretrial conference. Why? Not just so the judge gets a full understanding of how the injuries affected the injured victim's life, but so the judge also gets an understanding of how the injured victim will present in front of a judge or jury. This gives the judge a lot of leverage to go to the insurance adjusters and the insurance company's lawyers and explain to the other side, and said, look, a jury is really going to like this plaintiff and probably award them full value at trial. It is in your best interest to try to settle this claim pre-trial for a fair and reasonable amount. I cannot stress it enough. It is so important at a pre-trial conference that is court-ordered, which is essentially a court-ordered pre-trial mediation to try to resolve a case, that the injured victim gets multiple opportunities to speak to the judge. It can only help the injured victim's claim, and it can really, most importantly, help the injured victim potentially resolve their serious injury claim pre-trial. If you have any questions regarding how an injured victim can bring a serious injury, personal injury case in the state of Maryland, feel free to call me. I do this every single day and love to answer any questions you may have. Thank you.
667 Law John, 667 Law John, 667 Law John, 667 Law John.